Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a technology that's changing the world, blockchain. You might have heard of Bitcoin, but do you know the technology that makes it possible? That's right, blockchain. Let's dive in and understand what blockchain is all about. What is blockchain? Blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. But what exactly is it? Simply put, blockchain is a public ledger that records transactions in a way that is secure and tamper-proof. Once a transaction is added, it cannot be changed or deleted. Imagine a ledger that everyone can see and verify, but no one can alter. This ledger is shared across a network of computers, making it decentralized and transparent. Structure of a block. Blockchain is made up of many blocks, and each block contains transaction details. Let's look at the four main parts of a block. Previous hash. This is a link to the previous block in the chain. It ensures that all blocks are connected in a specific order. Data. This includes all the transactions in the block. These transactions have been validated and added to the block. Nonce. In Bitcoin's proof-of-work system, the nonce is a random number used to generate the block's hash. Miners work to find this number. Hash. This is the unique identifier of the block. It's created by passing the previous hash, data and nonce through the SHA-256 algorithm. SHA-256, the security backbone narrator. SHA-256 is a cryptographic algorithm that creates a unique 256-bit hash for any input. This hash is like a digital fingerprint. It's unique and cannot be reversed to find the original input. This ensures that the block's data is secure and cannot be tampered with. The three concepts of blockchain. To understand how blockchain works, we need to understand three main concepts: the public distributed ledger, SHA-256, and proof of work. Public distributed ledger. This is a global record of all transactions. Every participant in the network has a copy of this ledger, ensuring transparency and security. SHA-256, as mentioned, this cryptographic function secures the blocks. Once a hash is created, it cannot be changed, making the data tamper. Proof of work. Miners validate transactions by solving a complex mathematical puzzle, known as proof of work. This involves finding the nonce value. How blockchain works. So how does blockchain work? Let's break it down step by step. Initiation. Transaction is created and broadcast to the network. Validation. Miners compete to validate the transaction by solving the proof of work puzzle. Block creation. Once validated, the transaction is added to a new block along with other transactions. Hash generation. The block's hash is generated, securing its data. Chain addition. The new block is added to the blockchain, and the ledger is updated across all nodes. Benefits of blockchain. Blockchain offers several key benefits. Decentralization. No central authority controls the blockchain, reducing the risk of fraud. Transparency. All transactions are visible to participants, increasing trust. Security. Cryptographic algorithms ensure that data is secure and tamper-proof. Immutability. Once added, transactions cannot be changed or deleted. Challenges of blockchain. However, blockchain also faces challenges. Scalability. Handling a large number of transactions can be difficult. Energy consumption. Mining requires significant computational power and energy. Regulation. The regulatory environment for blockchain and cryptocurrencies is still developing. Adoption. Widespread use requires overcoming technical and cultural barriers. Future of blockchain. Despite these challenges, the future of blockchain is bright. Innovations like proof of stake, sharding, and layer 2 solutions are being developed to improve scalability and efficiency. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize various industries, finance to healthcare to supply chain management. Conclusion. In summary, blockchain is a powerful technology that offers security, transparency, and decentralization. The backbone of Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies, but its applications go far beyond that. As the technology continues to evolve, it will likely become an integral part of our digital world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and emerging technologies. See you next time.